Why does it feel right every time I let you in? Why does it feel